What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video. And today we're going to be talking about the JBL Charge 5 versus the JBL Charge 4 and the Charge 3. So with the release of the JBL Charge 5, of course, everybody's going to want to know, is it better than the previous models? And in this video, I'm going to tell you why I think it is for one simple reason. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So first, let's talk about the similarities. The overall specs of the three speakers is actually pretty similar. They each have an advertised battery life of 20 hours, and all three have a USB out port, which can be used to charge other devices like a phone or a tablet. All three are also water resistant, so if you happen to get them wet or accidentally drop them into water, they're going to hold up just fine. Now, as far as the differences, first is obviously going to be the price. Currently, you can pick up the JBL Charge 3 for about 120 bucks, the JBL Charge 4 for about 130 bucks, and the JBL Charge 5 for 180 bucks. As far as overall size, the speaker does get progressively larger. So you can see the Charge 3 is the smallest, then it's the Charge 4, and then the Charge 5. With the Charge 3 being the oldest of the group, it's the only speaker that's still using micro USB. The Charge 4 and Charge 5 have been updated to USB Type-C. As far as Bluetooth connection, the Charge 3 is running Bluetooth 4.1, the Charge 4 is running Bluetooth 4.2, and the Charge 5 is running Bluetooth 5.1. So you're obviously getting the most up-to-date connection with the Charge 5. On the other hand, the Charge 3 is the only speaker that allows you to connect up to 3 devices at the same time, while the Charge 4 and Charge 5 only allow 2 devices at the same time. You are able to sync each of these speakers up with other compatible devices to get a larger stereo sound, but they each use different syncing technology. The Charge 3 uses JBL's Connect technology, the Charge 4 uses JBL's Connect Plus technology, and the Charge 5 uses JBL's Party Boost technology. So unfortunately, you're not able to connect any of these speakers with each other. As far as watts, the Charge 3 advertises 20 watts of output, while the Charge 4 advertises 30 watts of output, and the Charge 5 advertises 40 watts of output. So let's go ahead and do a sound test to see if you guys can tell any differences between the sound. So to me, in person, the Charge 3 and the Charge 4 sound extremely similar. Honestly, I really can't tell that much of a difference in terms of the overall sound signature as well as the max volume. Now, the JBL Charge 5 sounds noticeably louder and overall just more dynamic than the Charge 3 and the Charge 4. The clarity definitely sounds better. Vocals come in a lot cleaner and more pronounced. The bass sounds slightly deeper and the overall volume is just louder. So based on sound quality, which is obviously the most important aspect, the Charge 5 is definitely the best option of the three. So that's going to be it for this video. As you guys can see, each of these three speakers are great options as far as portable Bluetooth speakers go. So if you're interested in grabbing any of these speakers, I will be sure to put the affiliate links down in the description. And if this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up to help support the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And you can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all my latest reviews. So aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys next time.